here today is the Benchmade Bugout. This is with a black blade in their S30V steel. That's a CPM S30V, absolutely excellent steel, and their composite handle. All the details will be on the website. They have an amazing access lock, so literally once this gets broken in a little bit, you can pull that back and this blade will just fly out. Absolutely amazing actions on them. Nice deep carry pocket clip, two-way universal, so it'll be tip up but left or right hand carry, and you can see the little accents they did on these guys, that little gold bits inside the handle as the spacers and as the thumb stud. Benchmades are all made in the USA. They're made in Portland, Oregon. Absolutely amazing knives with an amazing steel, and this is super thin and super lightweight, so it's a great choice for an everyday carry, or like the name suggests, a Bugout knife.